for sale, 1969 Corvette. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Corvette, finished in factory correct Fathom green with tan interior. Has its number matching 350, 300 horsepower motor in it. Original Muncie 4-speed. Power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Leather interior, and T-tops. Anyway, you know, walk around and tell you what I know about it. We'll fire it up and then we'll drive it. So here we go. It looks to be a one repaint in the factory original Fathom green, which is the car's original color. The front bumper is actually in very nice condition. And being one repaint, you know, you're gonna get a couple little hairline cracks in the paint. You know, a couple little checks right there, a couple more, another one. But the car and the paint is actually still in very nice condition. It looks like, although it shows a little age in some of those flaws, that it's still been nicely maintained. Make sure that I'm focused properly. The fitment of the car all the way around is really nice. And actually, I know it's the original nose because you see those original marks in the front where the body connects, I guess. It has redline bias ply tires on there with your optioned hubcaps, which are over rally wheels, which is pretty cool. The nice thing about the car is that it's mechanically inclined. All the motor was totally rebuilt, and I'll get to that in just a second here. You'll see a couple more checks there, a little one right there, a couple more right there. Fathom green is a very pretty color. We had a 69 Camaro, it was a Z28 in this color. Nice fitment of the T-tops. Well, let me go ahead and pop the hood real quick. Its trim tag is in place, showing the proper colors. Here you go. Here's the number matching 350, 300 horsepower. It's been totally rebuilt, and the thing that I love about it is they didn't just, you know, rebuild the engine in the older engine compartment. They completely redid the engine compartment. I mean, the radiator, all the hoses, the belts, manifold, all this kind of stuff. Even has the correct shielding in place. Even the control arms are, you know, pretty nice looking. It's supposed to have 72,000 original miles on it, which makes sense. VIN stamped on the pad. This is very impressive compartment. You know, being rebuilt, it fires right up every time. Runs very nice. Of course, your brake booster for the 4-wheel power disc brakes and the power steering pump. The doors fit nicely, they don't sag. A couple more little marks there on the door. Nicely painted in there. Very nice door panel. Nice tan carpet. And you got your leather bucket seats in there, which I'm told are original, which, yeah, makes sense. There's a little marking there, a little tiny rip there. But you get in it. 73,229. Okay, I was 1,000 off. Nice dash. I know there's a crack up here in the dash because I'm told the interior is original. The seats, maybe the door panels. I know the dash is, though. It's got a nice steering wheel on it, though. You know, they didn't, you know, put a small one on. 4-speed, of course. 300, 350. There you go. The boot's ripped. I mean, it's a cheap item. You can replace it if you want. Could be, I think that's the original boot anyway. Make sure we're focused still. Nice T-tops in here. I know sometimes these crack up and whatnot, but they're in nice condition and the fitment's there. And going back here, nice carpet again, where the T-tops fit in, and you know where the battery shutoff is, and the straps that hold down your T-tops when you're driving. Very nice rear bumpers. I mean, these definitely look to have been recently replaced. I see a little stone chip right there. Looks like a bug died on the car when I was out here. See a little mark right there in the paint. I know on the title it shows the state that it was owned in before, and it was Florida. Couple, you know, miscellaneous stone chips on that edge there, but nice fitment right there. I have the foam pad that goes over this, but I thought that this looked so nice, I thought I would just, you know, show it off. A little bit of dust on the windshield, but no cracks in the glass, of course. Under Firestone red lines as well. So we're getting to that point where we're going to fire it up now. 69 Corvette, factory colors, unmolested, 73,000 miles, rebuilt, 350, 300 horsepower, number matching. And I mean, they really look at the nice attention to detail. The pump down there, even the frame's been nicely painted. This is really nice. The wipers work properly. You know, this opens whichever way it opens, and wipers come out. So we will fire it up and then drive it, and I will hop in for the driving. Thank you. Watch your sunglasses.
Yeah. Give me one sec. I'll do one sec.
Give me a second here. Roll the window down. All right. You can go on Fullerton. And just Fullerton.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
U-turn at the white buildings up there.
Okay.
Pull in the middle lot. Do what you need.
Well, 3.5 about, yeah.
It doesn't matter. Pull out on the platform.